Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Every time I try to call, something keeps calling me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Yeah, I know what this is.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. And I'm back with another video today. As y'all can see, I'm tired as hell. I told myself this year I'm gonna come on the camera real raw, and you know, I think these aesthetics and everybody aesthetics makes you think that you have to come on camera a certain way. But I'm tired and I want to film content, and my baby hasn't taken his nap, so I can't. So you know what, we about to film some content. We got to film some content. So hold on, y'all. So yeah, basically that's what we're about to do today. As you all can see, the scenery is much different, but the conversations are still going to align with the series of being a foreigner in Jamaica. I wanted to just come on here and just, like, you know, just show my face. I know I haven't made a post, and we can't get it open. It's okay. There you go. He is like, I want to see what you're doing, but want milk? I know you're sleepy. But yeah, y'all, so I just wanted to come over here and shoot some content, you know, leaving Jamaica, coming home, and just like the reality of everything. So I don't really know, I'll be probably just ranting and chatting on and just, I don't know, talking, but I just want to start coming on here and giving more authentic content like this, because I don't want you all to think that everything is just perfect. Life in Jamaica as a foreigner, that's the series that I have started on this channel. I think that I've been in my head about the direction that I want to go in with this channel. If you don't know and you're new to my page, I originally had a channel called Crystal Stewart. I'll put it right here. Even if you go and look for that channel ended up getting up to about 1,020 subscribers, and I had just got monetized. Literally had the right amount of watch hours, everything, and then it just came crumbling down in like a second. So right when I got monetized, I used my school email address for when I went to college, and you know, after a while they deactivate those email addresses. So I was able to, every time I reach out to my college, they open the account for me, but it's only for a short period of time. So I was like, okay, maybe I could keep doing that, but I didn't want to get to a point where it's like I didn't create a new page just in case they just totally just was like, forget your email address. So yeah, that's pretty much how I started off on that channel. And then it's okay, you're just sleeping. It's okay, mommy right here. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Mom first. I don't know where he put his Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. So basically, y'all, I started off on my other channel, Crystal Stewart, and then like I said, it got deleted because the email associated with it was my college email, and they deactivated it. So like I stated, they allow me to go back into the account every now and then, but I didn't want to just bank on that. So all of the videos that you all see on this channel comes from my original channel, and those videos are literally outdated. The ones at the bottom were from my first start of my journey, which was almost 3 years ago. So those videos at the bottom, I know my hair may look a little different, or I may have on braids. It says like 8 or 9 months or 6 months ago, however long it says, but it's literally been years ago. That's why it seems like a discrepancy in my timeline of my videos, like my hairstyle, my just my journey. It just looks a little like, I guess, like unbalanced, because the time frame just does not match how long I've actually been in Jamaica. So right now we are at my mother's house. We are back in Georgia. We went to, as y'all can see in the previous video, one of my line sisters' daughter's birthday, and then now we are just this weekend coming up. There you go. This weekend coming up, he's gonna go spend time with his TT, and then next weekend is my mom's birthday on Valentine's Day, and then, well, next weekend is my mom's birthday, and then family is coming in town. So that's exciting. And yeah, I just want to come on here and just show the reality of what everybody think it is. Like, everybody thinks like the process that I'm going through is like super easy, it's so like filled with joy, which it is, but it is the reality of me having to solo parent when I come back home, and my child's father, him missing our presence there, calling us, like, you know, wanting us to come back sooner, because before we leave we always have a game plan of how long we're staying, because we have to go and of course tend to other things. Like in March I have like wedding festivities to go through, birthday party, so it'll be the same thing next month as well. So yeah, this is the reality. It's not perfect, it's not easy. Of course, like when you have a routine down packed where it's like you and your partner, you all are tackling parenthood, and then you have to literally go like this, and it's just you and it's them. It's a lot to process, but I am very grateful. My bad, I don't know why. I know this whole time I've been having to like turn my head a certain way because of the camera, but I just backed it up a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much, you know, the reality of it. I will be making a video soon about like how to get citizenship, the truth about like migrating to another country, the legal side of it. I'll be making a video about that soon. I just knew that it like was my duty to come on here, give y'all an update. So this is kind of like an update video. We're in Georgia right now for a while. We literally go back home, what is it, next week? Yeah, I think next week. But yeah, so yes, it's been nice like being around family. I have noticed, y'all, I don't know if it's just y'all or like me just getting older, I'm just noticing like in my life, I feel like I've like, here you go. He's really trying to get in the camera so bad. He think he's slick. I feel like I prioritize, I wouldn't necessarily say the wrong relationships, but as I'm getting older, I'm like, oh my God, like making friends is harder. Of course, your friendships don't get as much of you anymore because you're probably a parent, a wife, you know, a husband, whatever the case may be. So I know it's hard to juggle. I said juggle. Juggle all those things. I'm telling you right now, I'm getting older, y'all. This is what he has wanted this whole time. And I've just been revoking him of that. Not necessarily, but yeah, so I don't know about y'all, but it's just like seems so hard to just like, you know, flower and nourish, you know, friendships, and it's just like a weird space that I'm in, just trying to like navigate it. But the reality is, it's like feeling just disconnected from people, feeling like, wow, did I prioritize this relationship over this relationship, and this relationship was just a better relationship for me. And when I say relationship, I'm not talking about romantic, I'm talking about friendships. So yeah, basically I just want to come on here and just do a realistic vlog of just like me living as a foreigner in Jamaica with a baby, and like the reality of having to come back, you know, for certain activities, certain things. It is a lot, you know, it really is, especially when it's just like you're not really ready to go, or like, you know, his dad misses him like crazy. So, you know, I just wanted to just really come on here and just speak on just like the honest truth about just how it is, you know. And people reach out to me and they're like, oh my God, you're in the most beautiful situation. You know, don't look outside your house looking at other people thinking that it's all gravy. Trust me. Trust the process, and just do a lot of praying when it comes to your own journey. Because I look back at my life and I'm like, you know, sometimes as people, we can change the trajectory of our lives by just wanting what everybody else got, or wanting what you see everybody else doing. So, you know, I'm so happy. I'm gonna be honest, motherhood is literally the best thing that has ever happened to me. Beautiful experience, beautiful experience. So I'm so grateful for the situation, and I just, like I said, I haven't been posting, and I want to keep up the consistency, but sometimes it's super hard to figure out what to post when I'm like back and forth, or like finding the time, especially when I'm in Jamaica. Y'all see I'm able to keep up the consistency because it's me and his father, and my mom and my dad are super supportive, so I'm thankful for that. And then my sister wants to get him today, so I'm super grateful for my village. It's just, hopefully I can knock out some videos for you all to just keep them rolling. And thank you so much for just sticking with my channel, subscribing. Over the past, you know, few months, I've noticed just like a change in this channel with like the subscribers. So I just want to express so much gratitude for you all watching my content. It just keeps me motivated, and I'm just thankful. I'm very thankful, and I love you all so much. I try to comment to everybody, whether it's positive or negative. I try to always, like, you know, I'll just let you all know that your thoughts, opinions, and what you say matters to me. So just comment down below what y'all would like for me to do, what y'all would like to see. No, boo. Get it. He's sleepy, y'all. Baby, mommy, baby, sleepy. Mommy, baby, sleepy. Yeah, y'all, but thank you so much for just tuning into my channel. But thank you all so much for tuning into my channel. I know this video was probably unorthodox and not like the normal videos, but it's just an update video slightly, and just like talking about the reality of me living abroad, and then also having a solo parent when I come back overseas. So yeah, I hope you were able to take something away from this video, and I'm going to end it because I think I'm just ranting and just talking too much. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. Your girl is out, and I'm about to take a nap with my baby. Love y'all. Peace.
Every time I try to leave, something